You don't need to be rich to budget like the rich. In fact, the top 1% don't cut costs. They do something totally different. Hi, welcome to Sushant Finance, where we decode how money works. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 budgeting habits of the top 1% and how you can apply them, even if you are starting with a small income. Habit number 1. They budget for freedom, not restrictions. Rich people don't budget to save, they budget to buy time. They ask, how can I spend more on things I love and less on what doesn't matter? It's called conscious spending. Not about saying no to Starbucks. It's about saying hell yes to the life you want. Habit number 2. They track every rupee dollar at first. Most millionaires start by tracking every expense for at least 30 to 90 days. Why? Because you can't control what you don't measure. Use apps like Walnut, ET Money, or a simple Google Sheet to track your money. The point is, know where your money leaks. Habit number 3 is they automate everything. The rich don't rely on willpower. They set up auto pay for bills, auto SIPs or ETFs for investing, and auto transfer the savings the moment the salary hits. Why? Because automation beats motivation. Habit number 4. They always pay themselves first. Before rent, groceries or EMIs, they save or invest 10 to 20% of their income. Even if they have to cut Netflix, it's called paying yourself first, and it's the golden rule of building wealth. Habit number 5 is they review money monthly. We track weight and steps, but not money. The top 1% set a 30-minute Money Sunday every month to review income, expenses, goals, and then adjust. This one habit can change your financial destiny. To sum it up, you don't need to earn more to start thinking rich. You need to manage better. Hit subscribe for more powerful money lessons like this one, and let's build wealth together and smart decisions one at a time. Until next time, bye-bye.